The rapid growth of the NFT market over the last 18 months has given investors a lot of new and exciting ways to make money. A good way to diversify your investment portfolio is to invest in digital assets. This will become more common in the years to come, and it's a good idea. This video will go over how to make money with NFTs in great detail, but before that, please subscribe to our channel. It will show you which trading platforms are the best for investing in NFTs today, all from the comfort of your own home. When you're looking into how to buy NFTs, you should pay enough attention to how you plan to make money. To make money with NFTs, there are many ways to do so, either actively or passively. This is because the NFT market has grown so much. With that in mind, let's look at how to make money with NFT tokens by looking at the best ways to do so. 1. Invest in promising new NFTs early. One of the best ways to make money on an NFT is to invest in new collections before they rise in value. Many of the best NFTs to buy were made at a low price when they first came out, but their value rose quickly in the weeks and months after they came out. When CryptoPunks came out in 2017, they could be bought for as little as $1 to $34. When the NFT craze took off in 2021, these punks became very valuable because they were the first people in the space. This led to these NFTs being bought by celebrities and other well-known people, with one punk selling for $24 million. What is Lucky Block? The Lucky Block logo is shown in this picture. If you want to make money with this strategy, what is the best NFT to use? Having done a lot of research and analyzing, we think Lucky Block meets this requirement. Lucky Block is a new crypto lottery platform that runs on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a lot of fun, BSC. The developers recently started their own NFT collection called the Platinum Rollers Club. It has 10,000 NFTs that can be bought through NFT Launchpad, and each NFT costs $1. Lucky Block NFTs. There is a lot of fun to be had with these NFTs because each one gives you a chance to win a $10,000 prize every day. People who own one of the rare editions can get twice as many prizes each day if their number comes up. Because Lucky Block has grown so much in the last few months, these NFTs are likely to sell out quickly. It's also likely that the launch of Lucky Block's daily lotto draws will drive up the demand for these NFTs, which could make them more valuable over time. 2. Play to earn, P2E, NFT games. Another way to make money with NFT tokens is to play to earn, P2E, NFT games. Many of the best NFT games now have P2E features, which allow players to get rewards for good play. These rewards are usually worth something in the platform's own currency, which means they can be used to buy things in the game or traded for real money. Using NFT games to make money has become a popular way to make money. There are a lot of new platforms that make it easy to make money on a regular basis. Axie Infinity is one of the most well-known because users can fight other users and get rewards for it. In addition, because most important in-game items are NFTs, the digital currency you get as a reward can be reinvested into better items, which will make your game run better. Axie Infinity P2E. Investors can also buy Axie Infinity tokens, AXS, on cryptocurrency exchanges to get a piece of the P2E market through a different way. Axie Infinity has been a big hit, so now other projects are getting attention, like Silks, The Sandbox, Decentraland, and more. People are going to start using these platforms more often in the future as crypto adoption grows. This trend isn't going to stop anytime soon. 3. NFT Hodl. One of the best ways to learn how to make money with an NFT is to invest in HODL. HODL stands for Hold On for Dear Life. It was popularized by retail traders during the GameStop short squeeze of 2021, when they told people to hold on for dear life. Since then, the term has been used to describe an investment strategy where you never sell, no matter what. It's important for investors who buy cryptocurrency to know that there are both good and bad things about this method of making money. However, if done right, hodling can be a great way to make money with NFTs. Investors who bought CryptoPunks in 2017 might have sold because the value of their punk was not going up. When prices rise in 2021, those who chose to hold on will have made money. This method won't always work, because some NFT collections won't get the attention they need to move prices. However, many of the projects on our NFT calendar are already getting a lot of attention on social media, which means there could be some great investment opportunities in the weeks and months to come. 4. Flipping NFTs. Another way to make money with NFTs is to flip them. flipping, according to Fortune.com, is the process of buying low and selling high so that you make money. The main difference between flipping and other investment strategies is that flipping is usually a short-term strategy, unlike the HODL strategy above. It's hard to find the best NFT to make money and then sell it for a profit because there is so much competition in the market now. However, it's not impossible to make money by selling NFTs. There are a lot of things to think about when looking into how to make money by selling NFTs. NFT Launchpad NFTs. The token's use should be at the top of your mind, because this is what other investors will be interested in. Also, think about how the project is going to be supported by the community. Finally, the look of the NFT is important because most investors will want to show off their digital art on social media or in a digital art gallery. 5. Minting your own NFTs. People who want to know how to make money with NFTs often make their own NFTs. Minting is the process of taking a digital asset, like digital art or music, and putting it on the blockchain, which is a public ledger. Once the asset is added to the blockchain, it can be traded on the best NFT marketplaces, allowing you to make money from your work. People who want to make NFTs can use top marketplaces like NFT Launchpad to make it easy for beginners. Due to the huge growth in the NFT market, there is a lot of competition between creators, and new collections are coming out every day. If you want to do this, you'll need to make sure your work stands out from the rest.